Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we are going to solve a new array questions, that is write a program to check smallest element in the array using Java. So let's solve these questions. So to solving this, first of all, we need our main method. Inside of main method, first of all, you have to create your array in of array symbol to represent the this is the array element, and number is the name of the numbers. It will be uh num number. So it will be stored the integer type of element. One, let's suppose it will be having 12, 45, 67, 23, 89, 5, 99, and 34. This is the element which we have. Okay. And I want to check which one is the smallest element here. To check that, first of all, need one variable. To assume this is the SMO double LES smallest is equal to number of I, number of 0, number of 0 is the smallest element. So as you can see here, the indexing is starting from the 0 in the array. In Java array, it's starting from the 0. So this is the 12 now. This is the place of 0. 45 place of 1. 67 7 place of 2. 23 place of 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. So, we just assuming here the smallest element is number of 0. Means 12 is the smallest element. So just comment out and assuming smallest element. Then you have to need a for loop and write the conditions int I is equal to 0. So starting from the 0, our array starting from the 0, and I should less than of number dot length, and I plus plus. It will be iterate until your condition becomes false. So this is the conditions. This is the for loop which will be iterate the our number. And our condition is here if the our assuming element is in there now, that is the smallest element which we are assuming that. So number of I is less than of the smallest, then smallest is equal to number of I, else it will be not. So as you can see here, the number of 0 is not actually a smallest element. So the conditions becomes true. So it will be coming inside the if block, and what they do, just smallest is equal to number of I. So whatever the smallest element is there, it will be automatically come inside of a smallest variable or element. So let's come on the for loop, and you have to print your smallest element. This out. Sorry. SY system dot out with println uh, the smallest element in the array is put in the smallest. Okay, and just concatenate here, need a plus operator, And let's run this program and see what are the output we will get. As you can see here, the smallest element in the array is 5. So this is the way of this smallest element you can find in the array. So might be getting confused. So let me comment out this for loop and see what we have in the smallest variables. So as you can see here, the smallest element in the array is 12. That is the assumption. That is the assumption. And to check that key it is right or not, for that reason you need a for loop. And inside of for loop, just need a conditions. If it's false, if it's not, then you have to put the right smallest element inside of smallest variables. So this is the way of this programming working. And thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.